Alright, first violins, here's your practice video for Labyrinth. So the very beginning here is Adagio, which is very much slower tempo. Quarter note equals 60, so 1 beat per second. And your first note is just your open natural harmonic. So where your hand hits the shoulder, put your pinky down. I have to search forward just a little bit, but remember a harmonic is when you do not press down. You're just touching the string. I'm having issues with my E string today. And it should just ring like that. So again, you're not pressing down. There's an octave above your open E string. So that's just what you're holding. My goodness, today. All right, so then you're just bowing freely. So just change your bow whenever you need to, and count for that first line. All right, so then at letter A we go to con moto. So we more than double our speed. So it speeds up quite a bit. Remember from the key signature, no sharps or flats, so all F naturals and C naturals. Low 2 on D, A, and E. Low 1 on the E string the whole time. So mark those in if you're going to forget them. Low 1 on E. All right, so let's take it from measure 11. Starting on an up bow, not too loud, kind of in the middle of the bow. All right, here we go. Measure 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. One, two, three. Okay, so a couple of cool things going on in there. Pay attention to where it says divisi versus non-divisi. So back at 20, it doesn't say either, but play double stops there. At 20, when you have those double stops, and then just first finger on the D string with an open A, make a nice tunnel so you can hear both strings. Let's see. There was some tricky rhythms, 45 and 46. Let's look at those real quick. So I wrote the counting in for that first one at 45. You're just kind of playing on the and of the beat after that dotted chord note, and it's kind of syncopated in 46. So slowing that down, it'll be like this at 45. 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. Okay, so notice there's a dash underneath the third C, the third finger. So you want to put just a little bit of separation so we hear that it's not a tie. There's a separate note there. So again, it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and. Did I do that right? 1 and 2 and 3. I did that wrong. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like that. And then in tempo, like that. And then 46, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and then up to tempo, 1 and. So just make sure you're playing on the and, give it a little sniff right there. Otherwise, again, pay attention to staccato and accent like a letter D, and then it changes to espressivo, so you want to use a longer, more legato bow at 51. Dolce means sweetly, so again, not staccato there, just that kind of style all the way through. All right, any questions, let me know. Watch those low ones on the E string, make sure you're in the right key, and happy practicing.